In this video, I'll tell you how does a computer works. Okay, so basically a computer works in three basic steps as you can see on the screen. Step 1 is input, step 2 is process, the most important one, and step 3 is output. Let us now understand what is input, process, and output. I'll show you with real life examples. So here, to make a juice using juicer machine, we can find out what is input, what's the processing, and what's the output. So here the input is the fruit and the process can be done by the machine, and in a result of it we can get a juice as an output. Now, how can we define input? The data and the information that we enter into the computer are called input. Data is the letters or numbers or pictures or any instruction which we give to the computer. Input devices we used are keyboard and mouse. Okay, so now how can we define process? The process is done by the CPU. Basically, process means doing some work on data that we have entered into the computer. CPU does all the thinking and calculations with the data given. The CPU is also called the brain of the computer. Now, what is output? So output means the final result. When the CPU finishes processing the data, then the output is displayed on the screen. You can see two common examples of the output devices on the screen. Now we'll understand how a computer works with an example. In this example, 7, 9 and plus are input. The CPU processes this input and perform the addition, which is 7 plus 9, and then for output it shows the result, which is 16, which is shown on the monitor. So this is how a computer works.